So our discussion now is about Parkinson's disease. So what is Parkinson's disease? Before we deal into the disease process itself, let's talk about one very important neurotransmitter. And the neurotransmitter I would like to bring to your attention now is dopamine. So what is dopamine? Okay. Dopamine is our pleasure hormone. No? Okay. So we tend to perform activities that is pleasurable to us because it makes us feel good, no? And the hormone that is responsible for making you feel good is the hormone dopamine. Okay? Say for example, when you take coffee and you feel good, why do you keep on taking it again and again? No, sometimes you even drink 3 or 4 cups a day. Why? Because it makes you feel good. And why are you feeling good? Because the levels of dopamine in the body increases. Okay? So anything that makes you feel good or anything that makes you experience pleasure is because of the high levels of dopamine in the body. So what could be sources of dopamine? Well, you can see it in different S activities. What are S activities? Like socialization, social media, sleeping, sports, siesta, shopping, or even sex. No, these are activities that can bring about an elevation of the levels of dopamine. Plus, maybe you would remember one psychiatric condition associated with dopamine. Do you remember schizophrenia? Okay, unsa gani na schizophrenia? Mao nang mga buang nga nakita na to sa Dan, no? So it's a condition where there is a state of split mind, no? Being detached from reality. Schizophrenia na siya. Nganong na may schizophrenia? Well, that is probably because of the high levels of dopamine. Okay? So the pathophysiologic cause of schizophrenia is taas ra kaayo ang imuhang dopamine. Okay? Mauna nga ang tambal sa schizophrenia like haloperidol haldol or chlorpromazine thorazine, what does it do? It lowers the levels of dopamine. Okay? Siguro mauna siyang reason nga nung naatay mga gitawag og NBI. Unsa man ang mga NBI, no? Organization daw na siya class. It's an organization nga sa mga tao nga nabuang sa iyot, no? Because iyot or sex actually causes an increase in the levels of dopamine. Why do you engage in these activities? Because it makes you feel good. Okay? So that hormone responsible there is the hormone dopamine. Aside from being a pleasure hormone, your dopamine is also responsible for muscle movement. Meaning, the moment the levels of dopamine in the body is reduced, then your ability to move your muscles also gets affected. So, unsa man tong tambal sa schizophrenia? Haloperidol, haldol, chlorpromazine, thorazine. What does it do? Di ba it lowers your level of dopamine? So, unsa may symptoms sa tao or side effect sa tao nga nag-inom og antipsychotic? Di ba class, it has something to do with this movement and we call it as extrapyramidal syndrome or your pseudo-Parkinsonisms. Because again, this brings us no, to the principle that dopamine is responsible not only for pleasure, but also for muscle movement. So dopamine class is produced no, in the substantia nigra within the basal ganglia. Again, your dopamine is produced by the substantia nigra that is found in the basal ganglia. However, class, there are conditions that might bring about degeneration in the basal ganglia. No? So, unsa man na mga conditions nga makakause og degeneration sa imuhang basal ganglia? It could be a viral infection. It could be chemical toxicity. It could be a cerebrovascular disease or effects of certain drugs like tranquilizers or mga different kinds of prohibited drugs. So kaning mga chemicals, kaning mga viral infection, pwede na siya makakause og degeneration of the basal ganglia. So whenever your basal ganglia degenerates, then within it is the substantia nigra. It follows therefore that the substantia nigra is damaged. And with the loss of the substantia nigra, it follows therefore that the levels of dopamine in the body decreases. And when the levels of dopamine in the body decreases, you tend to lose your ability to feel pleasure and you tend to manifest different muscle movement problems. Okay? So, um, what are the symptoms of a patient with Parkinson's disease? So, for you to remember that, you should always be micro smart. Okay? So, what are the symptoms of Parkinson's disease? Remember to be micro smart. Unsa man ni siyang B? You will see that the patient will manifest a bending position or a stooped posture. Okay? Nagduko. Okay? Nagduko ang imuhang pasyente. Then, there is micrographia. When you make them write, their handwriting is very small. Okay? So, micrographia or one who has a small handwriting. Okay? S. Unsa man siyang S? Shuffling gait. Okay? So, how does a shuffling gait look like, no? It looks like this. Okay? Okay. There. Okay, so that's your shuffling gait. Okay? Now, aside from shuffling gait, no? Ang hinay kay siya glakaw, no? There is also a mask-like appearance. Sa manang mask-like appearance. Kana bitawng nonchalant ug naong kanang mask-like or kanang your face seems to show no expression, no? Kanang you don't seem to feel expression, no? So perhaps to illustrate, no, I saw a group of boys in the street saying, no, look, dako tutoy ana mga bata dito sa kilid. Unya. Maybe when you have this mask-like appearance, you might say, hala, dako ag tutoy o ingon ana, no? So wala kay expressions, walay movement in your facial muscles. So you call it as mask-like appearance. You may also manifest akinesia. Okay? So akinesia, akinesia. Unsa man na siyang akinesia? There is loss of voluntary muscle control. Okay? So you don't have the ability to perform meaningful movements because of the loss of the ability to control voluntary muscle movements. You call it as akinesia. Or maybe this is rigidity. And the rigidity is called as cogwheel rigidity. So cogwheel rigidity is like a robotic movement, no? So when I ask you to move your hand like this, you can just simply move your hands, no? But when you have cogwheel rigidity, you tend to move this way. Okay, murag naglag ang imuhang lihok. No? You look like a robot in your movement. And letter T, you manifest tremors. Okay? Tremors which are resting. Okay? Or you call this as your pill rolling tremors. Okay? So nag-ana-ana lang ka. Okay? Or nag-ana-ana ka. You are not doing anything but your hands are shaking. Your hands are jerking involuntarily. So class, these are the symptoms of a patient with Parkinson's disease and we call it as B micro smart. Now, what should we know about Parkinson's disease? Let's remember, class, that your Parkinson's disease, no, is a progressive condition. Meaning, once it begins, there's no way but to have it as magkagrabe, no? Dili na siya maayo. There's no cure to that. Magkagrabe lang ang imong sakit until eventually you die. And the most common cause of death is a respiratory complication like pneumonia or a pulmonary infection. So what can we do to delay the progression of the condition? We can give your MAUI, no? Your MAUIs. MAUI. Okay. MAUI stands for monoamine oxidase inhibitor. Okay, so your MAUIs or your monoamine oxidase inhibitors slows down the progression of your otherwise progressive Parkinson's disease. An example of a MAUI is your Eldepril. Eldepril. No, Eldepril is a brand name, no, which is given on patients with Parkinson's disease. What else? Class, remember that Parkinson's disease happens because of the low levels of dopamine. Ubos imong dopamine kay naguba imuhang substansya nigra nga tighimo niya. Naguba ang substansya nigra because ni degenerate ang imuhang basal ganglia. So, this is, after all, a problem in low levels of dopamine. So, common sense dictates nga ang tambalan ni aw ipasaka nimo imong dopamine. Di ba? Kung niubos ang dopamine, aw natural atong ipasaka ang imuhang dopamine. Okay? And this dopamine could be found in medications like levodopa. Levodopa, you can also see this in carbidopa. Okay? You can also see this in Miraplex or in Parlodel. Okay? Kani nga mga tambal class, these are what we call as dopaminergics. Para unsa ng dopaminergics? They increase the levels of dopamine in the body. And the drug of choice, so for Parkinson's disease is a combination of levodopa and carbidopa. And this is what we call class as Sinemet. Okay? Mao ni siya ang classmate ni Shimenet. So, Sinemet, levodopa, and carbidopa combination. Okay? So, this ends our discussion on Parkinson's disease.